Hello, hello. It's me, Shar, your favorite color street stylist from San Antonio, Texas. How you doing? It's time to open up our December color play. Who's excited? I know I am. So December's color play theme is timeless treasure. Drop an emoji below of what you think timeless treasure means. Is it a special piece of jewelry to you? Or maybe it's a special memory of a Christmas or New Year's Eve past. What does timeless treasure mean to you? Let's open up our December Color Play subscription box together and find out what timeless treasure will bring to our nails. Here we go. So I have seen some sneak peeks of this box already, and I can't wait to meet the strips in person. In each box, we receive a cute little brochure, and this lets us know what the box is about. It also gives us descriptions of the nail sets inside, and it gives us some ways to wear them. So without further ado, let's meet the strips. In this month's box, uncover the secrets of precious finery where every piece tells a story in Color Play's timeless treasures. This box features 3 magnificent vintage glitters, including one inspired by rich gemstones, plus a lavishing floral shade for a bespoke manicure that holds everlasting memories. Follow one of our looks or create a custom design inspired by Gone era. Oh, inspired by the bygone era. All right, and our bonus item is, ooh, I might wear this tonight. It says decorate your updo in dazzling elegance with this 2-piece luxe hair clip set. Perfect for any occasion. How gorgeous are those? Y'all, I think I'm going to wear this pearl one tonight. How beautiful is that for New Year's? Gorgeous hair clips. Ooh. All right, let's meet our nail strips real quickly. This month we got 1, 2, 3, 4 full nail strips in our box. And remember, our subscription box is only $30 plus tax. Shipping is included in our box. And in the box, you will get your nail file to do your nails with, as well as a little alcohol prep pad to clean your nails before you apply your color street. And let's meet our sets. First up, excuse me, my nose is itchy. First up is Floral Tiara. What a cute name. And ooh, look at that pattern. That's the pattern we saw on the front of the box. Look at that. So remember, each Color Play box, we never know the sets inside. They are exclusive to the box. You can't get them on my website. But the picture does give us a clue. And this month, it looks like we got an exact nail set that matches the picture. How fun is that? So Floral Tiara, add a touch of botanical beauty to your nails with this champagne glitter and multicolored floral design. How pretty. I love that. That'll be a fun one to wear in January. Next, we have Chocolate Opal. Oh, that's gorgeous. Do y'all know that the Pantone color of the year for 2025 is like brown or chocolate? So Chocolate Opal, this rich boysenberry with chunky holographic glitter, has been passed down through generations. That is a gorgeous shade. And that is right up the Pantone 2025 color of the year. So pretty. Love the glitter. Next up, we have crown jewels. Ooh-wee. Oh man, that one's gorgeous. Crown jewels. Adorn your nails with this multicolored jewel-esque glitter that sparkles from every angle. How beautiful is that? Now, it is my understanding that this one is transparent, which is great because let me show you this next set, and I will tell you that this is probably how I'm going to wear this set. London Topaz. What a gorgeous teal. Now, we have seen some teals in the past, but this one is a bit different. It almost looks like it shape shifts from like a teal to a deep blue. That's gorgeous. And then that glitter is so pretty. If this is transparent, I'd wear this over the teal so that you can still see the teal pop through and just add even more glitter to the teal. But so London Topaz. Your custom nail design will shine like a London topaz with this classic teal glitter. So pretty. So beautiful sets this month. We got 3 glitters and a glitter design. If you were to hop on my website and try to grab these, remember you can't grab these because these are exclusive to our subscription box. But if you grab these as like a buy 3, get 1 free, you're looking at about $45. We got these in our subscription box for just $30 plus tax. And then we got those gorgeous hair clips. So what an amazing deal, y'all. Gorgeous hair clips, 4 full sets for only $30 plus tax. Isn't that great? Have you subscribed to Color Play yet? You're going to want to. And today is the last day to subscribe for January. So January's theme is Rest and Reset. And I do have a sneak peek. So if you want a sneak peek of the nails that are inside, just drop sneak below and I'll send you a picture of the nails that will, well, a sneak peek of the nails that will be in the subscription box. Again, our photo kind of gives us a clue of the sets that are in the box. So I'm thinking we might see a beautiful blue. We might even see a really pretty kind of crochet nail design, which is right up my alley because I'm a crocheter. But Rest and Reset will definitely be needed in January. Am I right? And it says, take a deep breath and indulge in comforting, tranquil colors and textures as we enter a new year. If y'all are ready to kick off 2025 with new nails, grab a Color Play box. The link is in the description box below, and I promise you will not be sorry. The Color Play boxes are so good. You can skip or cancel at your leisure, and I promise you're never going to want to. But they're great. It's a great deal. And the fun, they're fun. They really are. I love the themes every single month, and then opening the box, it's like a Christmas time every month. But become a Color Play subscriber for January. Grab your Rest and Reset. Get your nails beautiful for 2025. That link is in the description box below. And if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments and I will be more than happy to answer them for you. So thank y'all all so much, and I will see y'all again next time. Bye for now.